blizzard warning in effect from 3 p.m. CST 4 p.m. Tuesday to 3 p.m. CST 4 p.m. Wednesday. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 3 p.m. CST 4 p.m. Tuesday to 3 p.m. CST 4 p.m. Wednesday. The blizzard warning replaces the blizzard watch. Timing: snow will increase in intensity and become heavy at times west of Interstate 39 Tuesday afternoon, gradually spreading east into northern Illinois by Tuesday evening. Snow, which will be heavy at times, will continue Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Lake-enhanced snow squalls will continue near Lake Michigan in northeast Illinois Wednesday morning, shifting into northwest Indiana during the afternoon. Northeast winds of 35 to 45 miles per hour with stronger gusts up to 70 miles per hour will result in extremely dangerous blizzard conditions developing late Tuesday afternoon and continuing through the overnight hours. Snow accumulations in excess of 36 inches are expected over much of the area from Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday afternoon. Localized totals in excess of 48 inches remain possible, especially in Cook, Lake and DuPage counties. Hazards: white out conditions are expected at times Tuesday night as very heavy snow and strong winds result in blizzard conditions. Snowfall rates of at least 3 to 5 inches per hour are possible, especially where thundersnow may be present. Impacts: conditions will rapidly deteriorate from west to east across the region Tuesday afternoon, with travel likely becoming virtually impossible at times Tuesday night and into early Wednesday morning. Snow is expected to fall so heavily at times Tuesday night